Hello coders, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to create a simple breakable object effects in Unity 2D. When the player's blade collide with the object, the original sprite is hidden, broken parts are enabled, and an explosion force is applied to make the pieces flying apart. We will also play a particle effect to make the destruction feel more satisfying. Let's get back to the video. For that I have like two sprites. I have created the multiple pieces for the broken effect and one for the full barrel, full image and the broken image. First we will create a empty game object. Name it as Breakable 2D sprites square, and we are going to add this thing here. Oops, this looks too big. I'll reduce the size to 0.5, 0.2. Yeah, 0.2 looks cool. No, 0.2, 0.5. Yep, 0.2, 0.5. And one more game object. Name it as parts. We are going to put squares and putting these things. Part 2. Which size is good? I think 0.25. We're going to add colliders while it's going apart. We need to place it in the surface, not to go inside the ground. And another piece, and also we need rigid body to add the physics. Rigid body 2D, gravity scale 1. Okay, duplicate it, and the another sprite, and duplicate again, put another sprite. Okay, we will just place not exactly I want, but minimum size. But to see it's getting exploded, so that's why you're putting. Okay, looks like it's broken from there. We are going to use the collision enter for this function, not a trigger. I'm going to use only on collision enter. Okay, then we are going to create particle effect for explosion. So right click, effects, particle system. We need to scale this also down, put the duration to 0 and delete start in life cycle to 0.7 and start speed 32, start size 0.25, and local rigid body and we need to stop the action with destroy. We want this only once, so that's why. And in emission I don't want over 10, just 0. And here count equal to 50. Yeah, you can see I want one boof, that's it. I don't want more. And like limit over velocity, put the speed equal to 3 and 0.001 or 1 is better. No, 0.1 is better. Yeah. And color over lifetime. Here we are going to change it to yellow, and end we are going to make it as red. And size over lifetime. I want like big to small. And renderer, billboard, we're going to create on material. Body 2D interactive. Yep. Make it as little bit black and apply over here. Skin, dun, 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 dun. Yep, that's it, I think. Okay, and we need to reduce the scale to okay 0.2 or 2.5. I'm going with 2 right now. Then the scripting part. Okay, we're going to write the script. Right click, create mono behavior, name it as breakable objects tool. Okay, let's check. Everything is done so far. We'll check, place this object here and hide the parts, hide the particle. Just hit and play. Oops, why particle is not played? Oh, I put these things into trigger. I don't want this as trigger. This is collision, and here it is also collision. Particles. Let's check. I thought of duplicating 2 or 3, then we can test. Now okay, but I didn't see the particle emission. Also I wanna duplicate, and we will check for check. I don't think particle is enabled. Why particle is not enabled and it's not fired? Red particle to play. Let's start hit point, red particle to set true. Matching the particle or not? 10 particles enabled. Might be too small. We'll put bigger then. Oops, I put only start says I want random constants. Here I will put 2.5, 0.2.5, and here 0.6. I think this is the main issue, and also if rotate I can't see the object, so we need to put rotation also some value. That's why we didn't see the object when it is rotating. Start is 0 and second is 360. Okay, let's hit and play. I think now we can see the particle effect, I think. Why man, why it is not? What the? I think shape. Oh, shape I didn't put for 0.2 on 360. Okay, hope this time particles we can see. I think so. We got it. Yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching.